Want to use NameDrop on your iPhone to share your contact instantly? First, make sure both iPhones are signed into iCloud and that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AirDrop are on. Go to Settings, then General, then AirDrop, and turn on bringing devices together. Now hold the top of your iPhone near the top of the other person's iPhone. When the NameDrop card appears, tap your contact card, choose phone number or email, then tap Share to send it, or receive only if you just want their info. If you'd rather share without bringing phones together, open Contacts, tap your card, tap Share and pick AirDrop. You can also show a QR code from your contact card if lining up phones is tricky. Keep in mind NameDrop only works on iPhones. It won't trigger if AirDrop is set to receiving off or contacts only, and you aren't in each other's contacts. Devices must actually touch tops. Distance won't trigger it. That's all it takes to swap info fast with NameDrop. If this helped you, tap like, share your quickest contact sharing tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.